Hi everyone, welcome to Lengthens Tips. I'm Alessia, ready for you. I've got a few gentle stretches you can do any time during the day. Whether you're really sore or it's been a long day, you just want to wind down or wake up to you. Remember that if you're stuck with your workout, so you can come and check out Lengthens Studio and download the Lengthens Tips app so you can have the workouts with you at all times. If you're ready for this, find a space and let's stretch it all out, nice and gentle. Here we go, guys, let's do this. Feet parallel, check your alignment, check that your lower abs are engaged, tailbone going all the way down. From here, we're gonna interlace fingers and we're gonna go arms up, bending knees, very good. Stretch up, back down, and again. Every time, breathe out. When you go with your arms up, shoulders down, press those shoulders down. Try to give your vertebrae as much room as possible. And again, up and over, bend your knees and stretch. From here, pull up and stretch even more. And bend, stretch even more. And straight, it's nice and gentle. And down. Don't let your rib cage pop out, yeah? Think that you've got an elastic that is attaching one side of the ribs to the other. Very good. And stretch. And down. And stretch even more. Pull up even more. And down. Very good. Just with your knees bent up and straight up. And down. And again up. And down. And up and down. One last one. Up. Stay there. Stretch towards the ceiling. And please stretch even more. Shoulders down. And stretch towards the ceiling. Remember that rib cage. And down. And check your knees as well. And and up and down. Very good. From here, swing your arms, swing with control. Arms up, your foot is gonna go back, you're gonna reach up and we come back down. Change leg, over, hand in. Every time you go to the back, your hips are pushing forward, so you feel that nice stretch towards the front of the leg. And in, and up, and down, and again, a few more. And in, and stretch, and in, and stretch, and in, and stretch, and in. We do one more. This time we stay there, up towards the ceiling. This time we're gonna reach down towards the bent knee. Very good. Look down, look up, wherever you wanna go. I don't mind. Come back up there. Bring the foot in. And other leg. Up and over. Check the alignment. Check that your hips are on a rail. Yeah? Straight in front of you. From there, plant that back foot down. And nicely, gently reach towards the floor. Reach with both hands. One towards the ceiling, the other one coming down towards the floor. Push those hips forward. Very good. Come back. And back to center. One more. Up there. Control. Stabilize those feet onto the ground. The other one is on the floor at the back. Heel on the floor. Push it down. to whatever apartment you got underneath. From there, reach towards that apartment. Say hello, neighbors down there. And keep reaching. Reach, 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 reach. Feel that side nice and stretched. Hips towards the front. Up, here, and down. And last. Very good. And reach. Keep pushing the opposite bum towards the front. Arm towards the ceiling and the other one towards the floor. Keep on reaching. Pull, 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 pull even more. This is my tight side. Oh my goodness, feels so good. Come back to the center and back down. Very good. Have a nice shake. Nice and easy. Grab the foot to the back. Don't let it stand out there. Bring it in towards the other knee. Grab it with the other hand. Pull that foot towards your bum. Push those hips towards the front. And the knee has to go slightly back. If you want, bend that supporting knee. Stabilize. Don't let go of your lower abs, because otherwise you find yourself in a very funky position and you strain your lower back. We don't want that. No, it's all connected, right? From there, push that knee towards the back slightly more. Right behind you, not out that side. Right behind you. Even more. Open the chest. Engage the lower back, the lower abs. Push those hips slightly forward. Very good. Straighten the supporting leg. And down. Change around. Other foot. Grab the foot. Take it towards your bum. Hips, what they're doing? Pushing forward. Very good. Abs are engaged. Very good. Chest nice and open. Bend your knee. Supporting knee. What's the other knee doing? This? No. Back in. Very good. Just push it slightly towards the back. Don't let go of those lower abs. Don't let go of the bum. Bum pushes forward. Engage. Very good. Feel the front of the leg pulling slightly. Very good. Breathe. Important. Very important. Breathing. Very important. Need oxygen. Straighten everything up. And release down. Very good. One more time. One side and then the other. Knee up. Foot towards you. Stabilize the supporting ankle. Knee together. Press down. Push that knee to the back. Don't let it go out. Foot towards you. Abs engaged. Bum engaged because it's pushing forward. Very good. Very good. Very good. Release up. And down. One more to the other side. Stabilize. Abs engaged. Knees together. Bend the supporting knee. Check where the alignment is. Knee over the toes. Not in a funky, weird position as much as possible. Very good. Push the knee to the back. Foot towards your bum. Bum towards the front. Abs engaged. Chest open. So many things less to remember. I know. But it becomes natural after we want. It becomes second nature. Very good. Release. And down. Have a good shake. Last thing to release those hips. Take the foot towards you. Very good. Take it open to the side. And back in. It's nice and gentle. Keep those lower abs. Don't tuck, because otherwise we work on the quads. We want to work on the abs and the bum pulling up. And open. And back in. And open. Back in. And open. Open. Stretch towards you. Pull that knee towards you. And place it down. Very good. To the side. Knee towards you. And we go. open to the side, and back in. Tailbone going down, abs engaged, keep pulling up. Opposition, back in. Last time, stay there. Pull that knee towards you, towards it, towards it, towards it. Breathe, breathe, pull, let go. Very good. Give it a good shake, nice and gentle. Sway side to side, release, and well done. Very well done, guys. I really hope your body feels nice and stretched out now. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe and come and check out the Lazy Dancers Studio and download the Lazy Dancers Tips app for exclusive workouts and lots and lots and lots of dancing. Otherwise, I'll see you here on YouTube next Wednesday. Ciao, guys.